In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay background music to Wix website. First, open your Wix editor and look for the Add button, the small plus icon on the left. Click it to open the content menu. From here, choose Video and Music to see all the media elements available. Select Wix Music to insert the Wix Music player onto your page. When the player appears, drag and drop it to the very top of your page. This placement matters. Elements near the top initialize first, which improves the chances that your audio begins right as the page loads. Aim for the highest section of your homepage or a top strip so it's one of the first items the browser processes. With the player selected, click Settings. If a setup screen appears, click Start Now to complete the quick Wix Music onboarding. It may guide you through a couple of screens. When that's done, close the window to return to your page. Open Settings again if it closed. In the Settings panel, find Autoplay when page loads and turn it on. This tells Wix to start your track or playlist automatically as soon as the page finishes loading. A quick note on expectations. Modern browsers, especially on mobile, sometimes restrict autoplay with sound until a visitor interacts with the page. That's normal behavior and varies by device and browser. Placing the player at the very top helps, but some visitors may still need to tap once before audio begins. Next, click My Music in the player to manage your audio. Here you can upload your tracks or choose from your library, and you can create your own playlist. Name your playlist clearly, add the tracks you want, and arrange them in the order you prefer. For a smooth experience, use compressed files like MP3 at a reasonable bitrate so pages load quickly. Also, make sure you have the rights to use any music you upload. Background audio should be both on-brand and legally licensed. To test everything, click Preview in the Wix editor. Let the page fully load and listen for your music. If it doesn't start immediately, refresh the preview or click once on the page to satisfy stricter autoplay rules. Check on both desktop and mobile to see how different browsers behave. If your audience needs quick control, consider keeping the player visible so visitors can pause, play, or adjust volume without hunting for controls. And that's it. With the Wix music player positioned at the top, autoplay enabled, and your playlist ready, your background music will greet visitors as soon as your page loads.